Hi there, Caroline here, and I'm going to show you how to customize your appearance and background in mmhmm. Everything you need is in the Style panel to the right. First, let's start with framing options. You can choose from Silhouette, which uses a virtual green screen, Circle Frame, which shows your real room, or you can choose a color background, or Rectangle, which also shows a colored background, or you can choose your real room. Below the framing options is where you can adjust your size and your fade. So if you have a large piece of content that you want to interact with, adjusting your size and fade is a great way to do that. Next, we have the Enhance slider. This enhances your lighting if in a low lighting setting. I like to keep mine all the way up. Next is the Rotate slider. If you'd like to spin all the way around for added effect, be my guest. Or, hey, you want to present from the ceiling? Go for it. For even more customization, try out some effects. From black and white to glitch, you can add a lot to your story with our effects. Now that we've adjusted your appearance, let's move on to backgrounds. At mmhmm, we have hundreds of backgrounds to choose from. No matter if you're on a live call or making a recording, backgrounds are a key factor to getting your point across. We have backgrounds that mimic real-life environments like this one, backgrounds that transport you, and backgrounds that are a bit more abstract. You can see your 6 most recently used backgrounds here to the right, and if you'd like a list of all of our backgrounds, just click See All. You can also add a custom background by clicking See All, then Custom, and Add New. Now that you know how to customize your appearance and background, go forth and nail your next presentation or recording. Happy creating, and thanks for watching.